Hello, David here, and the project for today is making a video of the assembly of the Iwata Neo TRN2 airbrush. I used it for the first time a couple of weeks ago doing my first ever Cerakote coating, and when I took it apart it was kind of foreign to me on how to get it back together again. The instructions that came with the airbrush did not have a parts diagram, so I printed this off from the internet, and also printed this parts list off from the internet. It's got the atom numbers for each part. And this is from airbrushmegastore.com. Again. So I'm just filming this just so I have a reference. Take this tail section off. This part of the tail just controls the amount of trigger travel. Careful of this needle, it's very fragile. Bends easy. I imagine I probably should order a spare just in case. See, there's a little collar in there that needs a wide screwdriver. I'm not going to take that out. I didn't take it out the last time I cleaned it. I think I could just pour some acetone down there and blow it out with my compressor. This front nozzle comes off. And this piece comes off too. There's a wrench in the kit for taking that off. I did not take that off when I cleaned it the last time. But I did take this off so I could blow some acetone through that. And there you have it. I'd like to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.